boys and girls. For our functional activity today, we are going to do a fun zoo animal sorting activity. So before we get started, let's put our name at the top of the paper. All right, so we have to divide them up by zoo animals and farm animals. So it looks here like we have a bear, a chicken, a lion, a cow, a pig, and an elephant. So let's go ahead and trace over those. We've got bear, B-E-A-R, chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, lion, L-I-O-N, cow, C-O-W, pig, P-I-G, and then elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video because we need to cut out each of these animals and each of the animal names, okay? So I'm going to pause the video and I want you to do the same while the video is paused, okay? Alrighty, I'm back. All right, so we have to divide them up by zoo animals and farm animals. So the first one is a lion. Is a lion a zoo animal or a farm animal? A lion is a zoo animal. So let's go ahead and put the lion right here. Just like that. And then let's find the word lion. Here's the word lion, L-I-O-N. And let's paste it right below. Lion. All right, the next one, let's look, is a chicken. The chicken, is he a zoo animal or a farm animal? He is a farm animal. So let's go ahead and glue him down. Farm animal. All right, and then we're looking for the word chicken. Looks like this, C-H-I-C-K-E-N. And we'll glue that right below. All right, the next one is a cow. Cow, would he be a zoo animal or a farm animal? A cow. He would be a farm animal. So let's go ahead and put him right next to the chicken. There's the cow. And cow, the word looks like this, C-O-W. And we'll glue that right there. All right, the next one is a bear. A bear. Is a bear a zoo animal or a farm animal? A bear is a zoo animal. Let's put him right next to the lion. There's the bear. And let's look for the word bear. Bear is B-E-A-R. Let's go ahead and glue that right beneath him. All right, last couple. Now we have a pig. Is a pig a zoo animal or a farm animal? He is a farm animal. So let's go ahead and glue him below the chicken and the cow. There he is. And let's look for pig. Whoopsies, I dropped it. There it is, P-I-G. And we'll glue pig right beneath pig, like that. All right, last one, we have an elephant. Is the elephant a zoo animal or a farm animal? He is a zoo animal. So let's go ahead and glue him down. An elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. We'll glue elephant, the word, right under the picture elephant. So your paper should look just like this, except your name would be right at the top. Awesome job, boys and girls. You did so great. We are going to do a fun activity next, okay? I'll see you then. Bye.